Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am going to be showing y'all how I customized this wig from bundles. Keep watching. Hey y'all, it's Longlegs Kate and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be customizing my very own unit today with Sensationnel Empire bundles. Let's get started. These are the Empire bundles. So this is the 4x4 HD lace. Then we have 20 inches, 22 inches, and 24 inches. It is so soft and I love how the hairline looks for the part. Like, that's really beautiful. I have where the frontal is gonna go. It looks a little crooked, but I can always like move it, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. One bundle of the Sensationnel Empire bundles, the 100% virgin human hair. I love the color, it's so natural and cute. Basically, I'm going to sew on this hair onto the wig cap. Here's where we are so far. We're gonna go in with the 22 inches of the Empire bundles by Sensationnel. This is, again, in the body wave. It's natural. And the thing that I'm finding that I'm really liking about these bundles is that this was able to do, that one bundle was able to do 3 rows. That's pretty good. So let's go in with the second bundle. So I'm going to take this 20-inch and just fill in the rest of the wig cap. If there's a little left over, then I will cut the bundle. We made it to the fun part. We're finally sewing on the frontal onto the unit. If you notice, when I put on the wig cap and the crochet cap, I pulled the wig cap down further so that when I do sew on this lace, right, I'm going to sew it on a little bit further up, right, so that this crochet cap stays intact to keep the unit secure, but then there's no cap under here, right, to show that line in the beginning, so it looks more of like a scalp. I hope that makes sense. So let's get started. As we're getting to the front of the unit, you want to make sure when you are sewing it on that you're pulling the unit as flat, as tight as possible as you get, so it doesn't do this while you're wearing it, you know what I mean? So we are doing so amazing. I am going to do a little styling and then come back and we are gonna have my final look using the Sensationnel Empire bundle. Hey y'all, this is the finished result of the Sensationnel Empire bundles. I have a 24-inch, 22-inch, 20-inch, and then an 18-inch frontal as well. I absolutely love how this came out. Like, it was very easy to work with. Oh my God, so cute. These affordable bundles are available at Sensationnel. Like, oh my God. Yes, 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 and yes. It definitely held a curl. It was like, it's very nice. I tried to keep the natural curl of the hair, so I just added a few bumps from the wand, but other than that, this is technically how the hair looks straight out the packaging. Didn't color it, didn't bleach any knots, like just sewed it on a cap, and here we are. Let me know what you think.